Good morning, everyone. Today we are diving into everything that you need to know about the TEF exam. Whether you are aiming for Canadian immigration, French citizenship, or just want to assess your French language skills, this video is for you. So, what is the TEF exam? The TEF or Test d'évaluation de français is an international exam that measures your proficiency in French. It's recognized by institutions and organizations around the world, particularly for immigration and academic purposes. So, why should you take the TEF exam? Here are some reasons. Immigration to Canada. The TEF Canada is accepted by the Canadian government as proof of language proficiency for immigration applications. Immigration to Quebec. The TEF AQ is specially designed for those applying to immigrate to Quebec. French citizenship. The TEF is also required for those seeking French citizenship. And the last one is academic purpose, as there are so many universities and academic institutions there which use the TEF to assess the French language skills of their applicants. Now let's talk about the structure of the TEF exam. The TEF consists of several sections, each testing different language skills. First one is listening comprehension, that is compréhension orale. In this there will be 40 questions and the duration will be 40 minutes. Second is reading comprehension, which is called compréhension écrite. In this there will be 50 questions and duration will be 60 minutes. Third one is written expression, which is called expression écrite. In this there will be 2 topics for you and the duration will be 60 minutes. And the last one is oral expression, which is called expression orale. In this as well there will be 2 topics, but the duration will be only 15 minutes. So now how to prepare for the TEF exam? Firstly, understand the format. Familiarize yourself with the structure and types of questions you will encounter. Second, practice regularly. Use practice tests in past exam papers to get a feel for the timing and difficulty level. Third one is improve your French. Engage in activities that enhance your French skills, such as reading, watching French movies, and conversing with native speakers. You can also listen to French songs. So now how to prepare for the TEF exam? Firstly, please understand the format. That is very important. Familiarize yourself with the structure and types of questions you will encounter in the exam. Second is, please practice regularly because practice makes a man perfect. Use practice tests and past exam papers to get a feel for the timing and difficulty level. Third one is, please improve your French. Engage yourself in all the activities that enhance your French skills, such as reading, watching French movies, conversing with native speakers, or you can listen French songs. Next is take a course. Consider enrolling in a TEF preparation course for guided instruction and feedback. You can join us for TEF preparation. Next is use online resources. There are so many online resources available and there are so many apps designed to help you practice and improve your French language. So what are you waiting for? To register for the TEF exam, you will need to find an authorized test center near you. You can check the official TEF website for a list of centers. The fees for the TEF exam vary depending on the location and the specific version of the test you are taking. Make sure to check with your chosen test center for the exact cost. On the day of the exam, please make sure to arrive early. Give yourself plenty of time to get to the test center and settle in. Bring necessary documents as you will need a valid ID and any other document specified by the test center. And the most important is stay calm and focused. Remember to read the instructions very carefully and manage your time effectively during the test. That's all for today's video on the TEF exam. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or you need any further clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more content on learning French and achieving your language goals. Bonne chance et à bientôt.